the technological point of view, always they are saying that the user engagement is the key factor to deploy the remote labs in the learning scenarios or learning experiences. Haptic devices, they started many years ago, but still they are alive. So they are not disappeared. Interfaces, sometimes you go to an interface and you have a lot of empty fields and something like, okay, put your numbers there and you will obtain the result. 1, 2, 3, 4. The interfaces, many times interfaces that we are designing for remote labs are. And the deployment, are we working with the stakeholders? Do you have relations with policymakers? Have you tried? It's amazing. Yeah. It's amazing. I will explain you later something. And industry, this is for, are we making something with industry, with real industry? Yes, I know that you, but, and your experience is good or not? Yes? Desire of industry. And do you have connections with the policymakers, with the, not the government, but okay? Okay. Yeah. 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 Or this is about future, yeah. But or are we still in the past? For example, okay, if you want to access Unity, if you want coming soon a new PC, okay, you need to. This is totally new. It's very small, but the information you have entered on this page will be sent over an insecure connection. And this is a commercial service. And my web browser is telling me that you are sending through a non-secure. So maybe we are in the past, not in the future. Researchers, totally different. So the first was about the technology, about what we are doing, and to make some questions. But go with the researchers, because researchers we are designing, but we are working for, and leave me to say, we are working for our own, yeah, to improve our position. In Spain, we have the sexennials, 6 years, sexennial, yeah. Every 6 years, or not, every 6 years you can send what you have done, and if you have 5 major results, you obtain a stamp, a new star, and even these stars are converted in money. Not a lot of money, but just a bit. Yeah, and of course it's very important to go up in your academic career. So what you need is to, it's not about projects in Spain, it's not about books, it's not about conference maybe, it's about journal. Not all journals, it's only about journals that are included in the journal citation report. You can discuss, you can solve, you can jump, you can do what you want, but this is the way. I don't know, in Romania is similar? Yeah. In other countries is similar? What they are saying is something like, I am not interested on your projects, because what you have to do is to have projects that are producing or are connected with papers in good journals, and that's all. So we need journals to publish papers. We have, of course, a lot of them in IEEE, transactional education, industrial electronics, industrial informatics, learning technologies, computers and education, Journal of Engineering and Education. Also we have SPAD, REV and IJO. IJO is our journal, lovely journal, and all of us we have published all of us have published in IJO, and And when we review papers of other authors for this IEEE or other journals, we find citation of papers published by IJO. So IJO, from my point of view, is well recognized and is being taken into consideration by other authors that are publishing in journal citation report journals. But IJO is not in the journal citation report. I know that Michael is always trying to fix or to discover how to do this, and I know that it's not, maybe I'm not being very elegant saying this, but I know that all of us, we should do more and more to obtain this recognition, because I think that everything that we have published in IJO is very, very relevant in the area of the remote labs. Tell me, Mike.
We are underway. We noticed we already applied 2 years ago to be included, but there was a list of problems we could have, and especially when in the morning we had a discussion about this.